Welcome to my channel. Today, here discussing another type price action setup. This is ICICI Bank 4-hour chart. Blue line showing price sharply declining from high, then taking support with a bullish candle. The price moves upwards and faces a resistance level, giving a small pullback. After the pullback, the stock reversed and moved upwards, break the previous resistance level. Our entry for this stock is at the breakout point, with a stop loss placed below the reversal point. You can adjust this based on your risk tolerance or preferred risk to reward ratio. You can see here, the stock has moved up more than 3%, as shown in the chart, and it has moved significantly.